Ayon sa PAO, ilabag daw nito niya ang Philippine Immigration Law ng pagpagkagsawa ng Pilipino. YF-23 was built to become America's next generation air superiority fighter. The YF-23 was faster and extremely stealthy, but the Air Force chose the YF-22 because it demonstrated what it
Hello.
nation's greatest
Hello world. Hello everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello world. Hello my friend. Welcome to Filipino Life Stories. Thank you very much. Kumusta po mga kababayan ko? I'm working when I'm working. Maraming salamat sa Diyos sa inyo pong lahat. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, Filipino Life Stories, and be a part of our channel. Hindi po ako nakapag-tag ng ating products. Mahina yung signal natin. Hello, hello my friend. Thank you. Yung community natin, maraming salamat sa suporta na your like and share is a very big thumbs. Thank you very much. And we're having a typhoon here right now. Thank you very much to Kali, Galdemel. Thank you very much for coming and just follow our community standard. Thank you very much. Thank you. And my deepest sympathy to to the people of Nepal. And my prayer is with you always. And we're having the same situation. We're having a flood also here. And life must be continued. Thank you very much for coming, Mr. Adi. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for for appreciation. Hello, I will check your channel if you have a channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. I'm working right now, and yes, this is our real estate there. I'm selling real estate properties here in the Philippines. Yeah. The woodside and the pine woods in Baguio City. We're here in the famous cafe, in the Boss Coffee Cafe. We're here. Boss Coffee is, their concept is all about the concept of Boss Coffee is of course the Filipino handicraft. Yeah, it's all Filipino content. The handicraft and the designs of the Boss Coffee is all about Filipino. It's a Filipino handicraft. Visit our country, Philippines. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. If you have a channel, check your channel. Thank you very much and be a part of our channel, Filipino Life Stories. Our goal, my goal in the to my community is to help our community. If you have visited our channel in Filipino Life Stories, the content is all about the as a community volunteers to distribute a food because we are affected of typhoon and flood also. Thank you very much for coming, Moving Chisda and C7, and please subscribe to our channel for the appreciation and support to our channel Filipino Life Stories. Thank you very much for coming. To Mikey and Extreme. Wait. I'll check it. Caroline. Marie. Ah. Thank you. Thank you. Cookies. Let's eat. Do you have a channel, Kailan? I will check if you have a channel. Kailan. Please, if I cannot find your channel, just leave a comment. Just watch our videos, leave a comments, and so I will check your channel. Just follow our community standard, so we don't have violations here. Thank you very much.
Expired na yung may number ka pa dyan.
Meron na pero pwede ka kumuha. Cookies. The concept of this store is Filipino. Okay? You look? Yeah. It's all Filipino. It's a Filipino concept of Boss Coffee. Okay? Look our concept, okay? There. So all Filipino concept. It's made of wood and the basket is made of handicraft. There. We have a client. That's why we're here. Yes, we better choose the owner of the bus coffee is a Filipino, of course, and their concept is all about wooden handicraft. Visit us here in the country, Philippines.
Later said that missing the flight was essentially a matter of luck. Number 2, Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg
Yeah.
had to fly from Boston to Los Angeles on
Okay.
September 11. He later said
Para
he
kung
was
ano.
scheduled to travel on American Airlines Flight 11, the same flight that was hijacked and crashed into the
Puti-puti.
hotel. His plans changed before the trip, and he wasn't on the aircraft. The fact that his original travel plans involved that flight became one of the most chilling what-if stories surrounding 9/11.
Masyadong ano.
Number 3, Sarah Ferguson. Sarah Ferguson, the Duchess of York, was
Pumuti lalo yung
flight
ano.
at the World Trade Center on September 11th.
Gagawin.
She was associated with the charity Chances for Children, which had offices on the South Tower. Her schedule changed, and she was not there when the attacks occurred.
Yan, I will shout out you later. Shout out to everyone. And to Mr. Pratik. Thank you, thank you. Super, super. Thank you, thank you. Be a part of our channel, to our community. Be a member. Join. Join, be a member so we can distribute to our community. We will share our blessings to our community. Thank you very much. Hello, what nationality are you? Yes, we are Filipino. Hello. Visit our country. Yeah, we have a friends here. Indian national here is we have many Indian national here in the Philippines. Where in fact they are one of the awardee of the Indian national is Dr. Ashok. He is the philanthropist, a doctor, and he is the number one helping our community. Where in fact we distributed his being a good. He's a Filipino Indian national. Yes, he is a businessman also. They're very good. They're very always helping the community, especially in the hospital, and the sickly people. And the Dagupan City National is awarded them to be an Indian national volunteer contributing the kindness of Filipino people. Not even a Filipino, but all national. Just a fellow people. Yeah, visit our country. Thank you. We will only have a short live today. So I want to say to shout out to hello to my beloved friends and to our organic subscriber. Thank you very much. And also my deepest sympathy to our friend. We have a beloved friends in Nepal. Our deepest sympathy and my prayers also. Our prayers to the Nepal people. We have a beloved friends there in Nepal. And I have subscribers, an organic subscriber in Nepal. We're also experiencing the flash flood in part of mountain side, mountain province in Baguio City. We experienced also a flood.
Almost 7 or 5 minutes. Ang super mo yung sa
At
ba't tinatanong ako almost 7 minutes?
traffic. Traffic. I cannot find your channel if you have a channel. Please watch our videos and I will check your channel if you have. Thank you very much.
Last time, you said the machine had become useful. Then society will decide how much more. Very simple.
They're having a dinner, mga kababayan ko. Nasaan kayo? I have no Filipino friends here. Ayan, ayan. Thank you, thank you. Shout out.
What exactly happened high above the water? Because the flood was only the fun part of the story.
Shout out to my OFW. Ay, sa aking sister. Si Bimix B Vlog. Yan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sister. Thank you very much. And be a part of our channel. Be a member, sister. To Bimix B Vlog. Shout out to Bimix B Vlog. And I will shout out later to Mr. David Blankets Vlog. Maraming salamat. Yan, nandiyan si Bimix B Vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At yung mga content ko about us Filipinos, struggles about sa flood, yung aking kababayan. Nakalimutan ko to. I have my microphone, but I don't know how to install it. I lost my microphone. I don't know how to use it. I forgot to detach. To install it. Next slide.
A short-screw gas piston keeps cleaner, reliable, piston-driven evolution of the AR platform.
My work is real estate. Bimix B Vlog. Baka gusto mo mag-invest ng lupa. Yan o. Okay. Baliktad. Yan o. Sa lupa to eh. Yan. Wood site. I'm selling properties. I am selling properties. Properties.
At this moment, she seemed to have accepted her fate and stopped struggling. Soon the man who kidnapped her was arrested, but even until he was sent to prison, he never revealed where he hid. Seeing that the kidnapper
Yes, I'm selling properties, especially in Baguio City. I'm selling the properties in Baguio City. Pinewoods Hotel.
soon 6 years passed.
This is a Pinewoods Hotel. I'm selling properties.
Accidentally discovered a bundle of books floating in the water. The police officer in charge of the
My work is to sell properties.
investigation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Harshad Sani. Thank you very much.
Something happened that very night.
Shout out.
They believed his wife was already dead.
Be a member.
Relationship.
Join, be a member.
He received a phone call from the kidnapper, who was still in prison.
So we will help our community. Yes, we have Indian national friend. Our friend, one of the friend in Indian national is Singh. Singh.
His wife Emily was
Singh and Ashok.
person he should address.
Ashok Balandani,
He rushed to the
Ashok,
location with his colleagues.
Ashok and Singh.
And underneath the floor,
We will try to visit the temple of India. Here we have a temple here in an India. Visit here. Okay. Wait. Mr. Hashari. BMX Vlog, hello sa ating mga OFW. Shout out to everyone. Maraming salamat sa Diyos sa inyo pong lahat. Yan, pag-ingatan po tayo sa araw-araw.
The water inside the tank contained hallucinogens and large amounts of nutrients. That was the reason she survived while being submerged in water. But strangely, anyone submerged in water for more than 6 hours would suffer severe skin damage. Yet Emily's body had no signs of damage. This proved that she had been outside the tank before. Except that the kidnapper, Hart, who had been arrested back then, was the one who told them where his wife was hidden. But Hart denied ever making that phone call. Back then, he was convicted of murder and sent to prison. Now that his wife had safely returned, he would be released because he was innocent, unless they could find evidence that he had kidnapped her. Meanwhile, the identity of the corpse found in the river was still unknown, but the killer was definitely part of the same group that kidnapped his wife.
Thank you.
Nick immediately went to the prison to meet Hart.
Thank
He
you.
asked who exactly had kidnapped his wife, but Hart claimed that he did not know either. Now that his wife was safe, it proved he had been framed. He told Nick they should release him immediately, otherwise... This made Nick lose control. Emily finally woke up after being taken to the hospital. Nick and his colleagues asked her what the kidnapper looked like, but Emily said the person had always worn a mask.
Mal, paro mamuta ang putak.
However, she was certain about one thing. Hart was only one of the kidnappers. The others were still out there. Emily was soon discharged from the hospital. She finally reunited with her son after 6 years apart, but her son barely remembered her anymore. He would not even let her hold his hand. She had no choice but to move into her brother's house. But images of her torture kept flashing through her mind. It caused her to become afraid to leave the house. So the FBI brought in a psychologist to treat her. While Nick was watching Emily's therapy recordings, he discovered a new clue. Although Emily could not remember most of what happened, after being hypnotized, she actually said a series of flower names. Nick was very familiar with those flower names. After searching through the files, he discovered that those names matched a group of girls. These girls were controlled by a man named Robert. He had been involved in human trafficking for years, but there had never been enough evidence against him. He was also the last case Emily investigated before she disappeared. It seemed he had enough motive to hire someone to kill her, and he happened to have a strange habit. He used flowers as names for the girls he liked, so the police chief wanted everyone to investigate Robert. They wanted to find a connection between him and the kidnapper Hart. At that moment, the forensic doctor revealed a new clue. Human tissue had been found under the nails of the corpse in the river. They could use DNA
We have a
testing to
friend.
identify the killer, but it would take
As
8
a
hours.
Indian
When
national
they found
also.
Emily, he asked whether she had seen Robert during her kidnapping.
He's very-
Emily really could not remember, but strangely,
Ah,
what did this
Luminaire
have to do with
Award.
Robert? Nick told Emily about their investigation. When he mentioned those flower names, Emily
Doctor.
suddenly remembered something. She quickly
He's a
brought out a
doctor.
bouquet of flowers from the house. The flowers perfectly matched those names, and these flowers were delivered on the
Dr.
day she moved
Ashok
into her brother's house. They
and
were
wife
supposedly sent by
Kinjan
Emily's
Basandani.
Masyado kang malakas mo.
Basandani
Nick asked Emily if there was any way to find
is
him.
our friend.
Unexpectedly, she actually had a way. Emily took
Recognized for
Nick to a bar. A
service
dancer there told her that a
Luminaire
Ninja will
Award.
arrive tomorrow. Robert would personally appear for the tour. The Ninja H2R doesn't use a turbo. It uses a mechanical supercharger.
They're very generous
Inside,
couple.
is a precision machine.
They're very generous.
The crankshaft
Uh,
drives it from a planetary gear system.
They offer donating a wheelchair, pillows, blanket to the needy fellow people, even not Filipinos. There, it's Basandani. They have 2 awards. You know, Dr. Bazandani is our friend, Indian national. And the wife also there. And the wife. They're a friend to us. It's a Golden Eagle Awards. Imagine, Golden Eagles Award. 10 Asia Pacific. Because of dedications to help fellow people, especially the Filipino here in the Philippines. They've been contributing kindness. Thank you very much for subscribing our channel, Mr. Harshad Gasan. If you have a channel, I will check your channel. Magano man. I-check. I-king kuya eh. And we have a short period of live today. So, hoping that I could have a live tomorrow. Sa aking mga kababayan Pilipino, shout out to everyone. Pag-ingatan po tayo ng Diyos at meron po pa po tayong ulan, typhoon dito sa Northern Luzon. Sa ating mga OFW, shout out to everyone. I-check ko. Thank you. Goodbye. Tomorrow. Hoping that tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. I will shout out to you in our post. Thank you very much to Mr. Pratik and to Michael CR7 at sa aking sister na si Bimix Blood, to Kyla appointee. Thank you very much. Thank you.